this is how we jive for mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. Here I'm again with another review of some beautiful looking t-shirt and shirt for you guys. Here we go guys, you see how beautiful this is. Incerunmen, the branding, lovely packaging. You can see how here is skateboarding. Style, fashion, white, small as the size of this shirt. Fashionable, lovely. Is a zipper lock, you can see here, so you can save this pack for traveling or other purpose in the future. Here we go, let's take this out. This shirt guys, it's small the size, branding, lovely. If I open here, you see how the sleeve is lovely, more as a lord. You can see how beautiful this shirt is. I'll put now to show you guys. Here we go. You can use this one with a t-shirt as I'm using, or without t-shirt if you want. Lovely, you see how it is. You can use with a chain at the middle as I'm putting. You can see here how beautiful classical look it has. Let me come closer to show you the collar guys, how it is. The zipper at the middle. V-neck t-shirt, could be round as well. You can see guys how is the shoulder, lovely looking shoulder. This side as well, how is the stitching here. If I go backward, you see how it is. You can use with the jeans as I'm using now here. Something inside. If you want to close in some cases, you can close as well. See how closing look, elegant, lovely. If you use this type of shirt, put your body more straight posture, looks great. Loose open as this, how it is. If I show you full body how it is, you can see I'm using with some boots. You can use a sneaker as well, depends which type of fashion you want to show. So you can see how lovely this is looking. Can use some hat as this as well. Can open as this, lovely, magnificent. Let me show you a bit closer. Here you have zipper. You see the collar how it is, no pocket at all. Lovely. So this is one of the review of Incerunmen, lovely looking fashionable shirt for you guys. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye.